What is up, YouTube? It's Matthew here, and I'm on the road today. Today I'm going to show you a free way to do driving for dollars just using Google Maps.
Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and comment down below.
So right now I'm just driving around this neighborhood near I live, and I'm just looking around for, distressed properties, either with high grass, boarded up windows, or just unkept lawn care and whatnot. And of course, I'm going to be using Google Maps, and I think I came across one right now. Let me show you all. The lawn's been unkept for a little bit. It seems like no one is home. It seems pretty vacant. Got 4 nines right there. But you never know if someone's in there, so I'm not gonna get too close. But I can see through the windows there's like trash and whatnot. You see the roof, there's a bunch of leaves there and sticks and whatnot, so it's a pretty unkept house. I don't know if the lighting is good for you all. But yeah, this is one property I just came across while I was driving for dollars. Now I'm gonna show you all how to use just Google Maps to pin this address and save it in a list. All right, so in the Google Maps app, you're going to click on these 3 lines where the search here is. You're going to go to your places, switch over to list. And I created one earlier in September, as you all see here, driving for dollars, September 3rd. And yeah, so basically we're going to do that right now. So we're going to create a new folder in our list for our places. We're going to make this private for right now. You can make it public or group if you have, VAs or whatnot. We're going to name this list D for D, driving for dollars. Then we're just going to add the date 10/24, just so we know exactly when we put in this property. So we're going to go basically back to the map. From there, I'm going to go over to the property we were at because I parked a little bit away from there. And what you're going to do, you're just going to click on that little box. You're going to try to hold on to it until an address comes up. And as you see, it's the right address. It's the 499999. And it has a photo here and everything. And so looking at this photo, I can tell it was a photo done earlier because when I saw the property, it wasn't as much trees in front of the house. And yeah, so basically this property. So from there, you're going to click on save. And then you're going to go to your D for D 1024 folder. And voila, you put the property, you save the property into this list of your places. And we have kept this private. So basically, that's how you can do driving for dollars for free without using any money. So that is a free way to do driving for dollars for free using Google Maps, if you all did not know. Now, in order to send a marketing campaign to this owner, that may cost a few dollars. For example, if you want to do a direct mail, it's easy, to go to your mailbox. You have the address. You can look up county records for the owner's name online on the county's website and whatnot, and then send a postcard or send a letter. But that's only a few dollars, so that's pretty cheap. Another way is skip tracing. Now, since you're driving for dollars, let's say you can only find 20 addresses. You can't use like these websites that require you to put large amounts of addresses because you only have 20. So what I like to use are subscription services to skip trace people. So like, for example, for $5 or $10 a month, you can use like Been Verified. I use this website called Spokio.com. And they allow you to just put individual addresses or individual names where you can find their phone numbers, their emails, their different family members' information, and other things like that. And then from there, you can call them directly from your phone. So to find addresses and to plug them into something, that's free using Google Maps. And then from there, you can put that into Excel sheet, either just copy and paste it. I'm not sure if you can export it.
to an Excel sheet. I'm not entirely sure. I think I copied and pasted the last time I did it, but you can do that, and then you can look up their phone number. I mean, look up their addresses to find their phone number, and then call them directly. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions about this, and like this video. Boom.